side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
What's up, rich babes? What's up, rich hustlers and my cousins? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your rich girl Red, and I'm back with another one. So today we're going to be going over how to do mapping for a wig. So you always want to make sure that your wig is 8 inches from the top to the bottom. That's how you're going to know where you're going to sit your cap and where you're also going to start your measurements. So I like to just whip this around just like this with the T-pin once I get it where I'm going, and I just put it all the way down to where I need my measurements. Now if you're wondering where I got my measurements from, I will do a separate video and tutorial on how exactly you want to get your measurements for your wig. So once you do that, I'm going to take another one and do my nape to nape measurement. You want to make sure you have enough T-pins to do this. Put the T-pin in. Y'all, I was struggling right here. Put the T-pin in. You want to do it probably right where the temples would be on the side of the head. And adjust as needed. As y'all can see, I was kind of fumbling with it, so I had to kind of adjust it and just make sure it's right where the temples are, because if not, you don't want to have issues when you're making your wig and how the wig is gonna lay and all of that stuff. So I would say make sure it's right in between your measurement. So as you can see, I have it right between 10 and 11, about 10 and a half. So that's gonna be about my measurement is at 15. So not really half. You want to have it maybe just a quarter over a half. And then after you get that, you want to take another tape measure and do your nape. Now a lot of people, what they do is just cut the same tape measure. Me personally, I don't like to do that. I want to know exactly what the measurement is. I know you can just count the numbers, but why do all that when I can just see it for myself? But to me, that's too much extra. And y'all, the braids was braiding, okay? I braided it myself too. Hello. But you want to put T-pins in here as well. And then when you get done, you're just going to cut them all off. And then also make sure you get your shrink wrap to shrink it down. I did not end up getting a video of how it looks in the end, but this is kind of how it's going to look when you finish up. And then you're obviously just going to cut off all the excess. You want to make sure you tape it up well. This is me still adjusting the nape, but you want to make sure you tape it up well after you finish doing this. Y'all, let me know if y'all want a part 2 to this. Let me know if y'all want a video of how I did my measurements and everything. I know my videos have been really short lately, but I promise y'all I'm coming with better content. And yeah, I love y'all so much. I always thank y'all for watching and supporting me. Thank y'all for getting me to 555 subscribers. Y'all are amazing. God is amazing. And I couldn't do none of this without God. I couldn't do none of this without y'all. And God is sending me all the support that I needed for my channel. And I just really thank God for all the support. And thank y'all.